Hey tech lovers! Today, we're diving into 5 insanely useful tech gadgets from Amazon that all cost under $50. They're smart, futuristic, and actually affordable. Let's see what $50 can get you in 2025. Gadget number 1. Wyze Plug Outdoor, $18.99. This smart plug is weatherproof and lets you control outdoor lights or devices from your phone or voice assistant. It supports scheduling, energy monitoring, and even Alexa/Google integration. Perfect for holiday lights or backyard setups, and yes, it costs less than lunch. Gadget number 2. PhoneSoap Basic UV Sanitizer, $39.99. Did you know your phone has more bacteria than a toilet seat? PhoneSoap uses UVC light to disinfect your phone in just 10 minutes, no chemicals, no heat. It also charges your phone while it cleans. One of the best hygiene tech tools out there. Gadget number 3. FIFINE K669B USB microphone, $49.99. This is one of the most recommended entry-level mics for podcasts, YouTube, and streaming. Crisp sound, metal build, plug and play, it beats many $100+ mics for half the price. An amazing value if you're creating content or working remotely. Gadget number 4. AUKEY 1080p webcam, $34.99. Need a high-quality webcam? This compact AUKEY model offers full HD video, built-in mic, and works with any platform, Zoom, Skype, OBS. Great for online meetings, classes, or even streaming, and still under $35. Gadget number 5. Anker Soundcore Mini, $24.99. Don't let the size fool you. This little Bluetooth speaker pumps out serious sound, has 15 hours of battery life, and even plays micro SD cards and FM radio. Perfect for travel, camping, or your desk setup. And there you have it, 5 awesome Amazon tech gadgets under $50 that actually deliver. Which one would you buy first? Or do you already own any of these? Drop a comment below, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more budget-friendly tech content like this every day. See you in the next one. Stay curious and stay connected.